So what do you think about trees? I think without trees, humans wouldn't be alive because we obviously need trees. We need trees for oxygen. Without trees, we wouldn't get oxygen. That's why in cities like Phoenix, they shouldn't cut down trees for buildings.
Especially Phoenix. It's hot as hell. Hot. Okay. And
This looks so much like a woman's vagina.
It really does.
This just shows you
The lips and the clitoris.
the dominance of a woman. It's not you acting a pussy. The pussy is the strongest muscle. It's the strongest muscle. A muscle. Hey, ain't it?
Big piece of potato.
Ain't it interesting that they say muscle and just like a vagina and it looks like a muscle?
And ain't it a muscle?
Yeah.
It's a muscle.
But they call this is muscle.
Okay.
You think that go hand in hand? That go hand in hand.
Well, you know, everything's connected somehow.
Is that vein or doodle on the shrimp?
I don't know. It look like seasoning. It do. It look like seasoning to me.
Can you believe they got
non-GMO basil?
Can you believe they got some non-GMO corn and some regular corn? All these crawfish left.
I don't know what a pound doesn't. We don't even verify that this is a pound though.
We don't. We just take their word.
That'd be crazy. They probably drip us a good. If we checked it, I'm pretty sure they probably drip.
I think that's the fact that we have in humanity. That humanity is trustworthy to give us a pound of crawfish, shrimp, and
No, that's doodle. What is
muscle.
this? What is this? What
that's
is that?
veins.
That this
A poll. Comment below. Doodle or is it veins? I say veins.
Ooh. That look like doo-doo. That's straight. Look up. Doo-doo. You know how they be putting the hand? Let me do the hand, because that always helps to see the picture. Am I about to eat the doo-doo?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Mm-mm.
Look at this. That was a bubble guts doo-doo. Connected. What makes you think they don't get bubble guts neither? We don't know where he comes. He need to be a police officer. He a police officer.
Can you hear him?
What the fuck, sir?
That's why his big
Stop
brother.
talking.
Did we get crab legs?
No.
Oh man, I thought we had got crab legs.
I ordered it. Who ordered it?
Because it was either crawfish or crab legs, I forgot.
See this? This is a shrimp that I'm about to tear out.
Man, I said thought we had crab legs. I'm mad at that.
How she said it was like, she could just say one whole potato cut up.
What you say? You been eating a crab leg?
She could have said one potato cut up. What the? Look at this. This corn was soaked in juice.
This from angry crab. I mean ugly crab.
Angry crab was at AV. I think. Or in Chicago. She said 4 pieces of potato. Oh, she said 4 pieces. Like, you know.
I don't think
it
I
wasn't
ate
one
4
potato.
pieces. The sauce is good though. This is the boiling sauce. It's all 3. But they pretty good. So next time we're gonna try.
What sauce you like better? You like the sauce in Arizona better? That sauce from that, you know that place?
Yes, it's more garlicky.
It is more garlic and it's more spicier. It's spicy, but that one like spicy. Like it's like perfectly blended. Popo. I don't know who that was, but I like Popo.
They
Who
come
is that?
from the lack of
I said something like Popo. Popo. This is my name, Paul.
Go ahead, Pauline.
We got some Quavo.
Original potato.
Oh man, that'd have been a good launch, and I won't be able to break it out.
I'm full all damn ready. Seems like they just. You know I want to buy it too. What the hell? This is fucked up. I did not know it was gonna be this much.
For $50, shit. Should have been.
It's something about that crawfish juice.